Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within your dashboard. Now, if you wish to change your email notification preferences and turn them off, then tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will now take you into the settings page within which you will see alerts and notifications. Tap on this and then tap on email settings. You will now see the various types of notifications that you can get for your email. You can either turn all of them off by turning off receive notifications, or you can individually choose which kind of notifications you want to receive and which kind you would not like to receive by turning the individual toggles on and off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications within your email on the Mobills application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.